Sir, can we start? Sir, can you hear me? Sir, we are not able to hear you, sir. Can you hear me clearly? You'll have to unmute yourself, sir, on the bottom left.
Okay. It's okay?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir. I think you launched the poll already, right?
Yeah, okay, no problem. I will say.
You got the result, sir?
Yeah, I can start now?
Yes, sir. I will just have a short introduction
Yeah, please.
Before we move into the session, sir.
Yeah, okay, please.
Yeah, just I'll keep it very short, sir. So, good evening. Welcome to all participants to another webinar of the CIC webinar series. Very happy to welcome you all again. So, just a quick brief about CIIC for the participants who are joining us for the first time. So, CIIC, which is Crescent Innovation and Incubation Council, is an incubation center for startups. We are having two thrust areas, that is life sciences and industry 4.0. So if you have any businesses in this space, we'll be stepping stone for you. We'll be able to help you to take your business to the market and take it to the next level. At present, 36 startup entrepreneurs and about 21 student entrepreneurs are incubated at CIIC who are availing support from us on a regular basis. And apart from that, we also help in startups getting funded. So over 70 lakh rupees has been received as funding from our startups. Along with that, 39 crores of external funding has been done. So the 70 lakhs I mentioned is from the government. So we enable government to fund these startups. So now it's my privilege to move into the session. I'm very happy to introduce Mr. K.S. Kamaluddin for today's session, who will be talking to us about a very essential need during this time, which is 10 steps to become an entrepreneur. So at the end of the session, we'll be having quite a few details about how an entrepreneur gets formed. Mr. Kamaluddin is the managing director of Blue Bharat Exim Private Limited, which is recognized by the Government of India as a one-star export house, and also the CEO of B Accuracy Infotech. He has also developed an ERP software which is called as B Accuracy. He has an illustrious experience of over 22 years in international trading business and ERP software development. He has shared his knowledge with over 25,000 aspiring entrepreneurs just like us since 2013. He's also guided a humongous number of UG and PG students by giving them internship and training in his organization. Over to Mr. Kamaluddin for the session. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for the introduction, sir. Okay, all are happy evening and all are welcome for the webinars. This meeting is organized by the CAZ in Chennai, and also thanks to Mr. Parvez Alam to be given these opportunities. And the CAZ is now is doing a very great service at present. Is doing of the lockdown period, very great service. And also thanks to CAC organizations only. So at the time, I can do my sharing. Actually, I am not a trainer. I am not a consultant. I am not a professor. Just I am the sharing my knowledge. So you are now is doing a for next stage. What is the vote for the business to start up? I will go the step by step. I will give the information. So just before I will give the some small information. So first I am the IT professional. I am not an entrepreneur. Basically, my family is nobody ever thinks to be a professional only. My starting professional is IT professional. Next I go to company as a CEO, and I am start the business on entrepreneur in the international trade business. Next I go for the internal auditing also, but I am not a commerce student. I can repeat, I am a science student, but I do the internal auditing of more than 3 to 4 countries also. And the next, I am the educationalist also. Different college is inviting of some guest speaker also. And as well as I am the writer also. I am writing a book, how to become an entrepreneur. I write a book also. And I am the managing director of Boulevard Executive Limited. Is the company's star is already given. This is one more company is for B Accuracy Infotech. This is a small one. Okay, how to start my professional? That is important. So 1990, I am the software development only. Basically I'm system analysis. So 1990 I can start the business. After 1995, the Singapore is introducing on GST on 1995. So at the time, this guy is inviting, please you can develop the software for GST. So at the time GST, there is not knowledge. I am science students. I am only develop the software only. I know the coding, but I have no background of the GST knowledge. That is a commerce knowledge. So after that, I go to Singapore. I learn what is the GST. Then after I can develop the GST software successfully on 1995. So after that, we can go the travel to Singapore. Frequently go to Singapore. Then after 1997, I can start the business, international business. That is export and import. We can start the 1997. So then after, main thing, there is a problem. So I can start the business. My startup is that there is not professional, is totally is what is the challenge? So nowadays you start the business, be careful. So all are very well, but face the problem? No, first I can face the problem. I take the business, I go to some companies, sir, we need an internship. So I am the student at the time. So 1997. So I want to interest, sir, we need any internship for your company. Nobody is given. I can face the first problem. Number two, so I can start the business. Please, what are the procedures, sir? What are the license you need? So what are the license? What are the procedure? Nobody's help. There is a second, I can face the problem. Third one, major problem, this is accounting. Why? So I can start the business, nobody given for the accounting problem. So I am a commerce student, I am not given for that accounting. So this is without knowledge. Accounts also, there is not knowledge. And another one, I am not frequently, I can speak also. So actually I am Tanjore district from Adarampattinam. I do this is a village, Panchayat village. I am not a frequently speech. That's okay, leave it. But main thing, so we are not given the internship, nobody given the business startup, and nobody, what is the knowledge for the accounting. So I can face this type 4 problem, I can start the business. Okay, anyway, so then how to know? Okay, no problem. I can start the business, Blue Path Exim Private Limited on 1997. The business is doing for export import. First business, we can take the order from Singapore. So Singapore, so I totally can suffer. Why? So you can start, nobody is help, nobody given for the how to possible, how to take the accounts, how to documentation, what is the procedure, nobody help. So then what is the problem I can face? No, I can face the problem to inventory management. You go the first startup, the entrepreneur, actually don't worry, sir, I am not a commerce student, don't worry. Plus, before you go to the entrepreneur, first you learn the inventory management. That is a very important. So the inventory management is a very important, number one. Number two, costing. So the costing is very important. Suppose you do the business, sir, loss. Why? So the costing very important. So number two. Number three, documentation. So Number one for the inventory management, number two for the costing, number three for the documentation. This is very, very important. You do the business. Before you do the business, please take the basic language, no problem. Basic information only, you do the everything. So after that, you can go ahead, no problem. So at that time, I can face the three types. So at the time, I go to some auditing office. Sir, I want to internship. Then you can go there. Then after I can study that everything. I know inventory, I know costing, then I can do the documentation. Okay, next I can my staff, actually I can give them my staff the training. He is also face the problem. So what is the clerical mistake? So many mistake is that the staff also is doing for different mistake. Why? How to rectify the problem? So at the time I'm immediately I can go no. So I can check the any software. So at the time 1997 there is no software. So I want to do the software immediately. I want to some idea that is a business innovation idea. This is the first my innovation idea. What is the business idea? We can develop the ERP software immediately. But actually, at present also there is no so many software is there, but there is not ERP software. The international business, that is very important. So at the time, we can develop the ERP software. This software is known as for the B accuracy. That is a business ERP software. So this software is one-touch digital automation. This software is covering up export, import documentation, shipping and logistics, service provider, point of sales, payroll, inventory, and the GST also to include it. Suppose you want, please you can go this one, my website also, the baccuracy.com website. So this we have developed the software. So at present, the software is actually 22 years old also. So this software coding, I am alone only, nobody help. So I know the very well of I can learn the accounts and everything. Then after I can develop the software. Then after that, this is a 7-in-1 ERP. That is important. But different software is there, but separate. So now business, some people doing of Excel sheet, Word documents, then after they enter the some software. So there is a clerical mistake, some communication mistake also is there. So I can face the problem. After that, I can smoothly doing up my ERP. There is actually this is my robo. At present, this is my robo. So the last 2 months is lockdown is going on now. My office, there is no staff. My business is doing on. So at present, I do the business. Export business, I do the export business for essential product to do the export business. Through this is my robo. So this is actually, we can dig off this one. So after that, we do the business. Next, you can go for the Malaysia. So Malaysia, I can go to the next stage. And another one, so the next you go to Dubai, and the next I can got the order from the Brunei, and the next I can got the Australia. So I can go the step by step. So depending on the, without any other stuff, I have not taken any other stuff. So then after this is my tools. I can start the entrepreneur without accounts knowledge. No, there is no documentation. Everything you know very well. I can develop the software. After that, the government given that 1 star. So what is the 1 star? No, I will give you some message. 1 star. The 1 star is the main thing. The status holder is the main export, but also provide the guidance and the handholding to the new entrepreneur. So that is the export policy 2015 and 2020 is government has issued this policy. We can, is the government given that 1 star. So this is after 1 star. This is actually my experience now is 22 years, my experience at present. So we are my sharing the knowledge since 2013 to I'm the guest speaker and guidance service of, actually I'm a resource person of some. So what is this one now? So actually first I can face the problem now. Nobody given internship on institutional training, but now I do the internship of BCom, BBA, BCA, BTech, IT professional, computer professional, and the MTech also, and the BTech, MCA, and the MBA. I can do the internship was given. So at that time I can face the problem. I can give the help of the students. Number one. So at present, I can more than 500 students plus students. I do the internship. Number two, I can face the startup. Nobody given the startup. So at present, I can give the. So I can give the training of FIO and the MSME, and depending on the, this is a Tamil magazine and the Pudhiya Thalaimurai. So everything should be we can more than 25,000 aspiring entrepreneurs already given them training also. And another one, so knowledge, accounting. So now at present, all of the technology students. So I want to start the business, how to costings are, how to documentation, how to inventory. So don't worry, I developed the one ERP software, that is a de-accuracy software. So I can also clear. And another ones, I can very poor of the speech, no, the speech, and also I can give the more than 200 plus program I developed. Actually, I can already deliver the 200 program. And also more than 30 engineering college, we have the more than 7,000 students I can speak the entrepreneurship skill. And also I do more than 4 plus international program also doing. So that is I can face the one before startup. Without knowledge, I can start the business. So I can face the problem. Then after I can enjoy the business and also the sharing the knowledge of this one. So this is a main thing. So that is this is a main operation. Okay, that's the it. Okay, what about today? This actually today now, our life management, work life, everything's totally suffered. Why? So after graduate, at present, what can I do? So that is a very question mark. What can I do? Number two. So an Indian employee, all people is an Indian employee. What is it? After 30 years, is also the question. Sir, what can I do? Number two. Number three, in overseas employee, all are the suffered. What is the age? No, is after 50 plus, all are come back to India. Is also, what can I do, sir? Okay, leave it. And another one, sir, after retirement, what can I do? These are also so many questions. So that is everything. This is a question. But nowadays, today from 2020, so many also. What is the message? You know, it is sir. What is after COVID-19? So this is a major problem at present. This is all face the problem. So what can I do? So this type of guys, I can give some solution of how to start business and everything. I can go. So the before start the business, sir, some idea is there. Okay, leave it. Sir, some innovation is there. Okay, wait. Sir, already I know the knowledge for the service provider. I am the service provider. Okay, leave it. Sir, I know that some product, any product, that's okay, leave it, no problem. So I am the some money hand is there. This is I know that my liquid money. Okay, leave it. So everything I can use now. I can start the session is totally. I can start first one. So all are interested now how to drive the vehicle. So how to drive the vehicle? All are to interested. There is this 3 stage for that. You want to the vehicle professionally vehicle. You do the win 3 stage. Number 1. So this is the driving number 1. Number 2. So mechanism and traffic and there is a rules and regulation is in number 2. So number 3, no, number 3, that is a question mark. What is this one? So many, all are the driving. Okay, good, no problem. So it is without knowledge of route. That is a very important. So you do the business, how to drive the vehicle. So that is some message. So somebody, sir, I know vehicle driving, but there is not for, I am not rules and regulation. I am not a route. So you drive the car. What is the problem? No, the same business also. This is the same also. This is actually so many people. So I want to drive the vehicle. I know the driving, but no rules and regulation, no route. How to possible? No. So the time is delayed, and as well as waste of timing also. And this is the main thing is the delay of everything, and also is a major problem. So what is the accident? The accident is main no knowledge of route, and there is no knowledge for the rules and regulation. So that is a single driving also. This is a face the problem. Okay. What is the business? What is the relationship with the driving and business? You start the business, you start the entrepreneur, that is the startup. I can do that 4 stage. What is the 4 stage? Number 1. So what is your product and which place you do the business? That is the main thing. Your product should be an innovation product. That is a very important. So many people are everything's there, but this is an innovation product number 1. Number 2. So please state what is the registration is there. Just you can want the registration and as well as government procedure. So be careful. That is important. Number 2. Number 3, documentation. So documentation means there is a bank documentation and as well as administration also. This is the 4th stage. 5th, that is the 4th stage is for marketing. So you know very well of the 4 stage. First stage, second stage, third stage. Then after only you do the business. So somebody know, sir, I know very well of I do the business. Innovation product is there, and the next I know the marketing. So this one you do the start the business. So there is no knowledge for the rules and regulation. That's the registration, no knowledge. And somebody is doing start the business without documentation, no knowledge. And it means what's the problem? No, it's major problem. So all our startup at present, sir, I know the technology. Okay, well, no problem. You know technology. Please, you can know what is the procedure and what is the documentation and what is the government registration. Before you start the business only, you start the business. Otherwise, please learn. So I am starting 1997. I can face the problem. So now after that, I know very well. I know this is actually that is I can advise of this is made. Okay, now I can start the session of the 10 steps of entrepreneur. I can start. Okay, first, what is the first one? Business category. You start the business. What are the business category? I will explain. So 3 stages there. Number 1, business activity. Okay, what is the business activity? You start the business. First, this is a 3 point is there. Number 1, so you start the business. You are doing the manufacture or value added product. So you decide the first one. Number 2, sir, I am not a manufacturer, I am not a value adder. Okay, leave it, no problem. Buy and sell, that's all. That is for the trading. That is a merchandise, this is trading, this is the second one. What is the third one? No, third one is for the web designing and some service provider. This is actually third one for the service provider. You choose any one first. Sir, I am manufacturer or trading. Sir, I want to both or okay, no problem, leave it. First you can go the first startup, first you choose the any one, you go gradually. So this is the first stage. Okay, and next you go for this is actually you are the agriculturalist, or suppose you want the entrepreneur. That is the main thing, is different type is there. Suppose you want the manufacturer or any distributor, or suppose you want any trader. You can choose anyone. So this is another one. This is a first stage of your business activity. Okay, number 2, you start the business. Before you first to decide this one. Number 2, what is the organization? Okay, you start the business. This is a 2 type of organization. One for the individual, that is the individual business, and another one for the joint business. Suppose the joint business means be careful. So there is actually this is a minimum. There is a minimum 2. You can decide joint business. After that, you can start the business. You first decide your organization is an individual business or joint business. Okay, next, after join the business, number, you can choose anyone. I choose the individual. No, this is actually you are using of individual business or joint business. Okay, next, number 3, what is the business type? Your business activities, number 1, number 2 for the business organization, number 3 for business type. So what is a business type? Business type is totally is a 3 model is there. What is the 3 model? No, the first model is this is a shopping. This is one more different. What is this one? No, the first one for the capital business. Suppose you know where I know the liquid of balance. You want any amount. Suppose this is a capital business. So without balance, I do the technology business. So what is the difference between capital business and the technology business? The capital business, you take the one. There is a premise for the rental, rented deposit and infrastructure and showroom. That is equal to showroom. What about the technology business? I can give the example. So the internet, this is a technology business is a 2 type. One for the e-commerce, another one for the m-commerce. So what is the e-commerce? No, you already is a shop. There is a Flipkart and Amazon and Flipkart, everything there. And the mobile app. So you can use the mobile app, So there is a Zomato and a Swiggy and as well as Danzo. So this type of now is a very familiar of this is a mobile app. But this business, be careful. One important point. What is the one important point? No, that is the logistics. So you can. This is you are the technology business. So there is a logistic is very important. You can deliver the correct time. So that is a very important. So number 2. And another one for there is actually this is an investment. This is a low investment. So 2 type. Another one. Sir, suppose actually I am not there is not fund. I am not knowledge. Without knowledge means Another one for the franchise also is there. Suppose you want interested any food product or any other electronic product or technology product, you can take the franchise also. So business is you want to the technology and as well as you can take. So that you choose this one. So first one, the business activity is a 3 type and the organization is a 2 type and business type is for the 3 type. So that is a number 1. Okay. So suppose you want any clarification of the business category, the participant, please. You want any clarification of this one? Excuse me, sir, please. Any participant to clarification of number 1? I go to next one.
Yeah, participants who have questions, you can post it in the Q&A section. You'll have a Q&A section at the bottom of the screen.
Yeah, this is the first category. You want only 2 minutes only. That's all. Nobody. I will go to the next stage. Okay, move, sir. Next move.
Yes, sir. I think we can move, sir.
Okay, next. What is the next stage? This is the second planning. So first planning you can free, then you can go for the next planning. What is this planning? This is for the business planning. What is the business planning? This is actually 3 points. You do the startup before you start the business. You can decide the 3 points. This is the 3 point is must. Number 1, sir, I know what is the product to do the business. I want to the any food product or textile or medical product or engineering product or technology product. So that without knowledge, sir, there is no knowledge. Okay, I can give you some tips of you start the business. So first you can select the nature of business. What is the nature of business? No, if not there is a business idea, you first decide 3 points. Number 1, sir, I want the innovation idea for industry. Okay, that is a number 1. Number 2, sir, I know the innovation idea for the fast-moving consumer goods. Otherwise, sir, I know some innovation idea for the service. So you decide any one first. Sir, you are like food product or service provider and industrial product. So you first decide one. Okay, and I will give the breakup. What are the industrial product? So industrial product is divided another 3 points. One for the raw material and another one for the office equipments and another one for the machinery tools. So you want to decide any one. Suppose I want to the raw material or business product, this is a machinery and the tools. So suppose this is the main thing you are doing for the innovation idea. So already so many product is there, but you do the innovation. That is the CIAC. What is this is the incubation is given the idea. So you tell about the idea, then after you can lift up how to you can possible, then you can how to start the business. So this is a number 1. Okay, so I want to start the fast moving consumer modes. You can split another 3 1. Suppose the fast moving consumer is number 1 food product, number 2 for the household items, number 3 for the textile items. Suppose you are interested for food product and as well as household items and otherwise textile and we are the leather items. It is a second point. Suppose it is already some product is there, but you put some different idea. Some is some organic product and different type of, and this is household item already is there. Just you can put the innovation. This is the main thing. This is the innovation of different idea. So like before you can enter this one. Okay, number 3. Suppose I am the IT professional. Suppose IT professional, so so many people is using of the web design and the software development. The software development is suppose using a mobile app, that is important. So I'm startup business. This is software development is there. I start the business and first I can software development. So you are using means at present all of the mobile app only. So that is a IT professional. And one more thing, I can give you some idea. So suppose you are the service. So R&D is very important. Research and development, education service also is there, and legal service also is there, veterinary service also is there, architecture service also there, and auditing the accounts also is there. So that this everything, main thing, what is this one I can select or not? You do the export, the government given this idea. This is a SEIS, Service Exports from India scheme. The government is given that minimum, this is a 5% of incentive. This is actually this all services, the preferably government of India given the incentive. Suppose you are prepared that you go to some college, you take the class. Your bill is amount you can go. Your bill is $1,000. The government given another 5% incentive. That is a government given for the 5%. So this is actually you are interested R&D and educational service also. This is auditing different type of service. So another service. So this one you choose any 3 of points. You can do the industrial product or food product, that is a FMG product, and otherwise service product. So you can decide number 1. After decide, second point, company registration. So what is a company registration? No, I will explain. What is a company registration? I will explain. So you start the business in India. What are the company registration is there? Number 1, sole proprietor. I will explain later. So just I can see what is this is in India, sole proprietorship. This is a individually you can start the business. Number 2, partnership form. Number 3, LLP, limited liability partnership. Number 4, private limited. Number 5, 1% company. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the public limited company. Next, the trust registration, and the next for the society registration, and next NGO, and the next association. So this different type of registration in India. Suppose you are interested, suppose all this is 1, 2, 3, 4, this is for NGO. But you do the business, you want which one is selected, I can give you some example. Okay, you decide first, you start the business, sir, I want to start the sole proprietorship. What is the sole proprietor? I will explain to you. So you start the business, sole proprietor, we need the office address proof, the rental agreement, we need the 11 months is a rental agreement, 20 rupees, you can take the deed. Is actually 20 rupees deed, you can take that part, that is a rental agreement. Sir, I can start the own place. Is the own place means you are the latest property tax that's here. So that is for office address proof, that is a must. Number 2, proprietor address proof. So Aadhaar card. Suppose some people from the overseas, that means NRE, there is no Aadhaar card, so you can also produce the passport also. So address number 1 is a proprietor, is a single man only. Nobody is to join the business, only single man. You can start the business, office address and the proprietor. That's enough. Okay, number 1, this is a sole proprietor is over. Okay, number 2, what is a partnership? Partnership means minimum 2. Minimum 1 is a partnership is minimum 2. Okay, the same address proof. Number 2 is each partner take the Aadhaar card. And suppose I want to join the NRI people. Suppose the NRI people means you can produce the passport. Suppose the Singaporean people you want to join the business, you can add the Singapore passport. This is a partner's address. Number 3 for this is a very important partnership deed. This partnership deed, you can take the documents. This is 300 rupees. There is a very 300 rupees. You can take the documents. You can prepare these documents contain what are the partners rules and regulations totally, what is the capital amount and what is the sharing of the company, what is the nature of business, which place of everything's all together to contain the partnership deed. So that is the number 1. Last one, this is actually the partnership is very dangerous and as well as be careful also. So what is the be careful? I will explain. So what is this one? No, somebody sir, who is the to connect with the partner? I will give you some information to you. So you start the business, join business. So partnership or this is a private limited or the minimum joined. Who is a partner to join? No, first you are the family members to join. Otherwise, friends. Otherwise, already is know very well of the businessman. Next, you can so friends or family or businessmen. Who is the investment? Who is the non-investment? Before you can decide who is the investor, who is the non-investor. So suppose the businessman definitely is not investment. Friends and family, you can investment or how much you can investment before you can talk. And the next, so be careful. That is important means to sharing. What are the sharing? No, I can give you some. What are the point to sharing a partnership? Number one, you can sharing the partners. Suppose the particular partner, the signature is a very important. So before single partner, the signature of checkbook or any one partner or any joint partner. So that is a very important. You can decide. So my advice, you can join all partners. Okay. Number two, what is the capital amount? The capital is you can put the how much amount. So don't put the percentage. So capital should be a amount. Profit, don't fix the amount. So profit is percentage. Capital is amount. Profit is a percentage. Then only there is a important. Next one. What is the nature of work each partner? So you can split the who is the HR, who is the marketing, who is the admin. So everything should be this is a be careful. This is a very important before you can prepare the documents. So no problem. So that is actually this is the main thing. This is 300 rupees documents. Be careful. That's a very important. Some people know after do the business another 1 or 2 years some problem is created. So this is the I can save. I will give the some information. So number 2 is clear. Okay. Number 3. LLP. What is the LLP? LLP is actually limited liability partners. So this what is the documents you need know? Number 1 for address proof, same address proof and the same one and the same other card also. And the next, suppose you want the same one. And one more thing. So we need a digital signature. So digital signature is must for the limit. This is a LLP. So next one for the director identification number. This is also important for the DIN number also. And another one for the registration of liability of your partnership. So I can give the some step. What are the steps for the limited liability partners? Number 1. So obtain the digital DES is the digital signature certificate number 1. Number 2. Apply the each partner. So two partner apply the DIN number and 2 partners to obtain the DEC also. Number 3. To take the name approval. So that is important. Number 4 stage is incorporation of LLP. 5th stage for the LLP agreement. So this is totally this steps for the limited liability partnership. So these are 3. Number 4. Suppose I want the private limited. Private limited means some documentation is there. What are the documents now? So the limit, this is a company title name, particular directors, share capital, that is working capital, rental agreement, amendment article association, certificate of incorporation, PAN number, bank account, GST, IE code, export council, DIN number, digital signature, and TDS, and so many options is there for the private limited. So you do the private limited, please you can refer the auditor. But sole proprietor, no need of auditor, you can take no problem. Partnership also no problem. LLP also no problem. LLP some concern is also doing. So private limited, you can refer the auditor. This is a very important. So you choose any one. That is a very important. Sir, I want a single man. You select the sole proprietor. So I want to join partnership. Sir, I want to register company in partnership LLP. Suppose you want the private limited, you can go for this one. So after that, you decide. So what is it? You create the company name next. Suppose the company name, some clue. So my company is the Blue Bharat Exim Private Limited. This is a color. Suppose you want any means, suppose some people is 3 characters. That's okay, leave it, no problem. So just you can give some idea for colors and the fruits and the flowers also. So what is the company, you before you can start up the company, first, what is the office address? Number 1. Number 2, you prepare the logo. Number 3, mail address. And as well as you need one smartphone, so recording of the OTP. So nowadays, so without a smartphone, don't do the business. Everything should be online. So with mail address, with one phone. And another for the business card. So business card, how many business card now? Only not more than only 50 to 60 business card. That's enough. Next is the small one, 50 to 100 letterhead. And the next files, number 6. What is the 6 number of file? How many? What is the type of files? No. First, what is the number 1? Invite files. Number 2, out to add files. Number 3, expenses file. Number 4, bank file. Number 5, general file. Number 7, assets file. So totally 6 file is very important. So after that, you can prepare the address seal. So the address seal for your company address seal, this is very important. Next, FAR seal. This FAR seal, so this is a capital letter F for company name. Suppose your company means you can put the proprietor. You can leave it this one. So your company's partnership, you can put the partner. Suppose your company is private limited, you can put the director. So that is you can seal off this one. Suppose last one, you can. So passport size photo. This photo no need of physically, so you can get the 100 MB. That is 100 KB. It's not 100 MB. It's 100 KB. So if you ask your photo, I take the one CD that is 100 KB. Why is upload the this is a company registration is asking for 100 KB only. So finally, you can put the number 10 is a display signboard. This is a 4 into 3 feet. It's a small one. This is suppose you want to see any officer to visit your company, just one small display board. So it is a startup. Number 2 is over. Next number 3. What is the number 3? So PAN card. This PAN card, suppose you are doing the sole proprietor means your own PAN card, that's enough. So I will explain. Suppose individual business, your own PAN card, okay. So don't take the another PAN card. Suppose you do the joint business, you take the PAN card in the name of company. That is important. So this is actually individual business, only your own PAN card, leave it, no problem. So the proprietor concern. Joint business, you take the company name under company name. So this is you can visit the online. Is not more than 157 rupees. That's all. You can go the maximum 2 weeks. Is produce the PAN card also. So this is the www.msdl.com. So you can go to the website to easy to company under company. You join the business under company name. You can take the PAN card. So that one is over. And the next, suppose you go to the bank. So in the bank, how to start the bank? So you can go to the bank. What are the documentation you can send to the bank? You know the bank is asking KYC form. Number 1 for the seal and FAR seal. The bank is asking for the FAR seal and the address seal also. And what are the files? You can keep the files, not all files, just one of the small 1 or 2 files. Suppose each partner or proprietor is doing the original Aadhaar card, and as well as is asking for the rental agreement, and also using suppose your partnership deed, and another one for memorandum and article association, and anybody some reference also, and the next any suppose your business card, letterhead also, and the next of your passport size of photo and some amount. So that is a totally 10 points is there. Then after you can put the signature. So that is a bank documentation. So that is for the bank documentation. After that, private limited, you can take the digital signature. Otherwise, the sole proprietor partnership, no need. Suppose the LLP and the private limited means you can take the digital signature. So after digital signature, you go to the GST. So GST is different depending on your turnover only. You suppose you are what is the company government norms, you can take the GST. Otherwise, you can skip the GST. Suppose I want to export, it's a compulsory. You do the GST. This is a GST website, gst.gov.in. There is no charge. This is zero amount. Only what are the documents you can get uploaded, so automatically give. So up to this, you can start the business, local business. You can start the local. Suppose I want to do the export business. Export business, the 7th step, you do the export, that is a IE code. That is even, this is actually, what is this one? No, actually this one for export import code. The government asking mandatory of IE means import export code. That is the IEC. You want the documents, cancel check, and as well as address proof. So the 2 documents only needed for the is IE code. This is you want the export. You are interested in the export. This is only 500 rupees, not a huge amount, only 500 rupees. GST, no charges. This is only 500 rupees. After that, the government is adding for the AD code is the authorized dealer code. This is, I'm not explained. So this RCMC means that is actually registration cum membership certificate, and as well as some organization is there. And I'm not to explain more. So small, I will go through this. Suppose you do the business FSSA, food product means definitely you take the FSSA. And another one for the finally 10th point for this is the Aadhaar card. So you can start the business step by step up to 6. Okay, no problem. So you do the export business after 8 only do the business. So I will. This is actually small one chart is given. I can give this much some chart. What is this one? No. So you are designing manufacturer or trading a service. Suppose PAN card must, manufacturer is must, trading also, service also. And the next current account. So definitely current account. If you do the export business, you ask the SWIFT code. That is a foreign currency SWIFT code, and as well as authorized dealer also you can ask the authorization code. Number 3 is the, suppose you do the, if requirement means you can register the GST. Suppose you want the export, you do the everything. And next IE code, import export code, you do the IE code. If you do the export business, everything. And the next is the Export Promotion Council. You do the business, you do the export of business, is a compulsory. And the next, this one for Udaya Aadhaar. So Udaya Aadhaar, who is eligible? Only merchant and the service only eligible. You are doing merchant business, don't take the Udaya Aadhaar. So be careful. Somebody asking, sir, I do the only buy and sell. You are not eligible for Udaya Aadhaar. And the next, FSSA. FSSA means you are doing a manufacture. This is a merchant only, do the food product only. So you do the service, no need of one. So your merchant and manufacturer, there is a merchant and manufacturer for food product only is applicable. Service is not applicable. So that is a small one chart also. So the second point is over. So first point is what is the business. Second point is company registration. And the next, this is what for suppose you want to start the Singapore. This also is there. I will not show it. This is a Singapore also. So last 3 months back, I go to Singapore. How to start the business in Singapore business also. And yeah, there's not the timing. I will not given this one. So next point, this is a, you start the before. There's a need of empower. So 3 power is very important. What is the 3 power? You know, number 1, mind power. Number 2, manpower. Number 3 is a money power. So before you start the business, that is you want the entrepreneur. The main thing, what is the mind? This is a creative, is a new idea. Manpower is a money power. So this is the third one. So now I can finish the second point. So I will move to the next one. So this is the second point is over. What is the third one? So there is a budget. Sir, what is the budget? I start the business. What is the budget, sir? So I can give the small. What are the type of budget? I will explain the budget. You before the startup. Number 1, what is the startup capital? So that is important. What is the startup capital? So in startup capital, I will explain now. Or just this is actually I can see the startup capital. So there is approximately I can give the about this nearly and roughly I can give. So you can start the sole proprietor is the only minimum is 2,000. That's enough. You can start the business. This is only company registration only. I can this amount only company registration. Suppose I start the partnership. Not this is more than this is a 4,500. That's enough. Suppose I want to LLP is a 9,000. That's enough. Suppose I can start the 1% company just 11,500. Is only I can repeat company registration only, not format. This is only company registration only. And suppose you want the private limited, so 13,500. This is a different. This is actually is I will do this approximately about nearly roughly. That's all. So depending on the your what are the depending on the your business only to add the more license. Suppose you are any manufacturer more than something means depending on that. This is a company registration. This is not a product. Suppose you are any product, this is a add this one. So now this is the SAR cap, this is a capital. Next for working capital. So what is the meaning of working capital? No, just I can explain what is the working capital. So the budget, some cash flow is there, and inventory, and the expenses, and the sales, and the collection. Then you can continue. So the business is continuing. So what is the budget of each expenses? So what is the company license? Is the assets or expenses? I explain later. So number two, rental deposit, assets are the expenses. Number three, so office infrastructure is the asset or expenses. Number four, so packing material, packing machinery is the assets or expenses. So packing material and another one inventory and another one for the working capital. So the company license, you totally can forget, is 100% expenses. This is not a liquid cash. So this is not asset is a liquid cash. Is anytime you can refundable. But the company license fees is not refundable. It's a one-time expenses over. Okay, rent deposit is only assets. So anytime you can refund of this one. Office structure. So office structure, suppose you want any of our interior decoration, everything the expenses, not assets. And one more thing. So the packing machinery is only depreciation is the expenses, balance amount should be a so assets. So machinery, suppose using of the business, the expenses are depending on the depreciation only is the assets. Next for the packing material. Suppose you do the any packing material is totally 100% expensive. So another one. What is the inventory? Inventory is the stock. So as per inventory is a liquid, is of assets. Last one, working capital is 100% expenses is not a assets. So before you do the business, do the some budget. What the budget now? So what is the company license fees you can fix? Rent deposit, how much? Office infrastructure, how much? Packing machinery, how much? Packing material, how much? What are the inventory? What are the working capital? So main thing, you do the working capital. My advice, you start the business 6 months, you can take the working capital. So it is totally small information. So suppose you want to some, I will give some. So this is the number two. Number three, business capital. So the business capital, suppose you start the business, you want to the what is it? You are depending on the your liquid cash. Suppose sir, I start the 25 lakhs or 50 lakhs or 1 crore or 2 crore. So depending on the business only, you do the budget. So share capital, working capital, and the business capital. So this is a before budget. So this is a number three is over. Okay. What is the number four? Number four, product design. What is the product design? Sir, I am the one innovation product. I create the, suppose I know that is the totally some the standardized some different product. You before your innovation of product, before I give the some tips for what is the brand name? You can create the one product, you put the brand name. And next, what is the size of your product? And next, what is the color? You can your innovation of any product, any idea of the product, you fix the color. So very important, depending on the color. Number four is the logo. So very important is the logo. And next for the labeling, and another one for the message, and another one for the packing type. So I will explain first brand name. So this is my brand. We are exporting of rice exported to Singapore. My product is very famous in Singapore. This is a Bharat Ponni rice. Is exporting. We are exporting Singapore. So regularly we are introducing a 97. My product, you know, this is my brand Bharat Ponni. We are another brand. My brand is a Blue Apple. It's not apple, but this is a rice food product. Another product. And the next one is for the business accuracy. We are the another product. This is an innovation product. This is a ERP software. This is our three products. We are the trading as well as I am the service provider also. Okay, what is the color now? You know the Samsung is a blue color, white color, or combination. This is a yellow label. This is the combination. Sony TV, some Sony program. So WhatsApp, what is the combination? So you can fix the color. You do the innovation of the product. What is the color? That is a very important. This is the color is very important. Next, logo. So this is my logo. So my brand is a Bharat. So this is my Bharat. This is a logo. Okay. And the next, suppose we are doing of any liquid, any product of your liquid or something is kilogram, kg, milliliter, liter, centimeter, meter, or pieces. Suppose you are any innovation of product. So suppose in Dubai, don't use the kg. Maximum use the lbs. So what is the lbs? 44 lbs equal to 19.93 kgs. For example, suppose some countries are asking for the ounce. Oh, this is actually the UK, ES or pounds, lbs, and some countries are asking for the ounce. What is the calculation? 1 lbs equal to 0.453 kg. 1 kilo equal to 2.20 kilo lbs. That is the calculation of lbs. And what about the ounce? 1 ml equal to 0.0338 ounce. 1 ounce equal to 29.573 ml. So depending on the product, suppose you do the any country, so country's unit size is very important. Next, labeling. So the labeling, what is the main thing? The labeling, that is actually, suppose you do the some batch number, any food product means you can put the expiry date, product, which product, and another one for the country. So in Japan is not an English language, he is a Japanese, and Arab countries all are using Arab countries Arabic. In Germany, some different countries. So the Asian country, no problem. So other than this is a GC country, European country. So the language, you are prepared the any innovation of the product, you put the labeling is the language. And the next, your innovation, your product, you put the deliver the customer, you prepare the what is the packing type. Suppose you want the any wooden type or cardboard type and any type, this is a packing thing is very important. And another one for message. Suppose your product ready to use. Food product means ready to use. Otherwise, ready to cook, that is a food product. Suppose the electronic product more, so that is we can using for the so easy to install. Suppose your name is a plug and play. So this is a plug and play. So there is a message. This is a very important of this. This is the information. And another one, suppose any finishing product of your product means you can using ingredients. This is very important. Okay. So that is of totally product design. And the product design, one website is there. What is the website? It is the Logo Garden website. You go to the Logo Garden website, you are interested, you can go this website, you can prepare the Logo Garden also. This is a free website also. So number 4, product design over. Okay, number 5, marketing. So this is what is the marketing now? So you go to marketing. So the market. First, market the product. First, what is your innovation of product now? First, you market. So, which product you can choose? You can mark the product, then get the order. So, mark the product and get the order. So, equal to marketing. That is a marketing. So, how many type of marketing now? So, this is a 10 platform for the marketing. 10 platform. So, what is the 10 platform now? Number 1. What are the which product? That is, you are the product. Number 1. Is everything should be a P, you can start the number 1. The product, which place you can procurement. Number 2. Okay, number 3. What is the promotion of the product? Number 4. What is the packaging of your product? Next one is for the place. Next for the any country to the politics, very important. Next, this is your product of the presentation is a totally is important. Is a totally the 7 is there. What is the 8th one? So the product is like the public, that is important. Number 9. So you can good for the good price to compare the your product. Number 10 for your product is potential product or not. So this is a 10 platform. You start the business, you can do this one. This is a 10 platforms is very important of. Is a main thing. You can start the business marketing. First, you go to some project only. So you go to your mentor is given some information. So the everything you can go there. The 10 platform, you know very well. You can start the marketing. So before marketing, your product is the season product or off-season product. That is important. All-season product. Suppose this is an all-season product. Some product no. So food product is mostly the food product. This is a season only. So depending on the product, you can all season product or some season is only product. So what is the marketing now? So marketing is a 3 type. One for the online marketing and the another one for the so main thing is the online marketing is you can put the some with the amount and as well as free. So and another one for the marketing is the 3 type is there online marketing and the offline marketing and the direct marketing. So I am not deep explain. So just you can say marketing is before 10 platform and as well as do for what is the process of online marketing. So direct marketing, main thing, you can direct marketing. This is if suppose you want to free up some product, you put the some bit notice of your product and the PPT of your product. So offline market, which place you are offline and the cost cut, this is important. Online marketing, you can give the free and as well as cost. Oh, okay. So the marketing, first you think which product you are, this is marketing type, and after that some idea, which ideas to implementation. Then after you can try, idea after try. So and what is it you could do again. So you can do, so one marketing, okay, you can do again. So after that and again also, then keep doing, then finally you can success the product. So this is you can mark the product. First you can think an idea to try to do again and again, keep on again, so doing, and definitely thinking of the success. So this is for marketing. So that is a in the 10 step of out of 10 step, I can finish the 5 steps. Okay. So another 5 step, I will explain another 5 step. Number 6, documentation. So what is the documentation is very important. What is the documentation, you know? So you can start the documentation. Next to documentation, what is the I will show the documentation. What is the documentation now? What is the documentation? This is a pro forma documentation is another ways, that is a quotation also is there. And another one for purchase order. And another one for that is this is a pro forma and as well as quotation. This is a purchase order, otherwise this is a confirmation order. Next you go for the sales agreement and another one for the delivery note, and as well as finally you can put the invoice. So the document is important of documents, pro forma as well as quotation. This is a purchase and the confirmation order. You can put the sales agreement and the delivery note. So the invoice, what is the type of the invoice? So the type of invoice, so many type of invoices. Number one, suppose what is the type of invoice? Number one, unregistered person means without GST, the invoice is you can put the invoice title, that is the invoice. Number two, suppose you are the registration, there is some registration, some composition is there. In GST, you can put the type of invoice is bill of supply. In bill of supply, in before you can put the composition tax person not eligible to collect the tax of supply. You can mention the each invoice. Number three, GST invoice. So you are the registered the invoice, it should be a tax invoice. This is important. So tax invoice is important. And the next one for the tax invoice come bill of supply. So this is the next one. So suppose this is the third one. Fourth one, you do the export. This is a commercial invoice. So this is for the fourth one. This is the fourth type of invoice you can do. And one more thing, don't use the title of invoice. Don't use the bill. So up to this one, so don't use the bill. So using of 1, 2, 3 type of is that. So that is the main thing. This is the documentation. I will so this is a be careful. This is a documentation. This is very important. Okay. And before any please participant, any doubt of up to this document, any please, sir? Excuse me, sir. Sir, excuse me. Any chart of the up to this one, you want any clarification?
Sir, there are 3 questions in Q&A.
1 second, I have not declared the voice. 1 second, 1 second.
Hello, sir.
Okay, please, what is the question?
So the first question is, all banks are asking good proposal model. If
Yeah.
if are there any format for good proposal models?
Yeah, definitely. This is a bank project. That is, I'm not covered this one. So this is a project is a different. What is a project? That the bank is asking for the 3 years project. You know, the bank is asking for the 3 years project. So the 3 years project for what is the your product? What is the cost of your product and what is the share capital and everything is there. That is entirely different of this one.
Okay, sir. And the next
Okay.
question, how we recognize the good products without testing during business strategy?
Without
Testing during
uh-huh.
business strategy. How do you recognize the good products, sir, without testing?
Without testing means depending on your product. Suppose the electronic means this is definitely with testing. Food product with testing. Everything should be testing only. Without testing, how do you know? So my advice, this is the main thing you can put the testing the product. There is a, without testing, don't go to the market. So be careful.
Okay, sir. And last question, can I create a company using proprietary? Can I use this benefit of having a company to deduct tax from net only?
Yeah. So this is a tax means information. So depending on the partnership is entirely the tax is different, private limited is different, and as is totally is a company. In a individual proprietor means is at present is as per income tax. 2.5 lakhs is only there is no tax. But the company some percentage is there. So at present is a 20 plus is a 28% or 30% the company's taxes. So individual means only 2.5 lakhs at present. So another some benefit also is there. 2.5 lakhs some benefit also is there for the 2027 for the financial year also. So suppose the partnership depending on the what is the profit, partnership means what is the profit. Single paisa you can profit, you can put the 28% or some percentage. Depending on the government norms, you can pay the amount. That's all. That is the difference.
Okay, sir. So next
Yeah.
question is for LLP, whether GST is required.
Definitely, it is not. Definitely, you can, depending on the business, what is the business? LLP, leave it, no problem. But you want the depending, you are the non-taxable product, no need of GST. So what is the GST? But GST is a minimum is a 40 lakhs minimum. You are doing this LLP 40 lakhs minimum. Don't take the GST. So depending on the requirement only. That's all. It's not and but you are do the export is a must. GST registration is must.
Okay, sir. Sir, these are the questions. Now you can continue, sir.
Okay. So the presentation going on now smoothly. You can any other interruption or something is going on now smoothly.
Perfect, sir.
Okay.
No issue.
So the documentation is number 6 is over. Okay. Now administration. So this is a very important. So what is the administration now? So the all entrepreneur startup business. I'm not a well-known administration. So all of the science and technology students only. How to process, how to admin no. So I'm not to you are not to join the MBA. So you like now what is the MBA? So the MBA marketing already is there, HR is there, international business also is there, logistics also is there, and supply chain also is there, and the finance also is there. So different branches. You do the business. So I am the technology student, sir. I want to join MBA. So I want to how to marketing. Leave it. So the everything should be an experience. But what is the, already I can start the marketing. So what is the HR? That is a human resource. Suppose I want to enter the international business win, I can give you some tips. Suppose, sir, I want to do the export business. So be careful on 4 stage. What is the first stage? It's the same one business startup. We are already given no some partnership or something. This is the number 1. So number 2, you start the international business. The business pre-planning is very important. So number 3, business procedure. That is also very important. Number 4 is a business budget. So that is this is an international trade. You start the business only 4 stage only. That's all. So then after definitely you can start the business. So this business is totally. So what is the step by step only? You can start the business only. One next step. And what is the logistics? Logistics are also different and the supply chain. Okay, what is the supply chain? So the supply chain is any business is the most important of the supply chain. Supply chain. So the customer want any product. The customer need some product from e-commerce. Suppose you are any innovation, any product. So now is there some different product there. The customers asking for the e-commerce, and after that you select the product. So this product, no, this is a customer select the product from e-commerce. The third one, the customer, there is a pay the amount to the bank. After that, the bank is cleared, so automatically the message is sent to the warehouse of dependent. The warehouse people to contact the shipping man. There is a logistics. Then after is the delivery. So that's our supply chain. There is actually 2 years course also is there, but simply I can tell you there is a supply chain. So this is a practically I can do this one. Customer, this is totally you can cover that everything is totally the some information only. So that is a supply chain only. So then after the customer is like the product, then again. So that is a totally this is a supply chain management. So next one is some finance is there. Finance means what is I can do the some steps. Suppose what is this one working capital? What is the working capital? So even I will ask the question. No, it's a project. This is aspect depending on the working capital. You can prepare the daily book. What is the daily book? Purchase and sales, and suppose the receipts and payments. And the next you can prepare the ledger. What is the ledger? General ledger, trading ledger, and the suppliers and the customer. And the next inventory management. There is a management information system. What is the opening stock is there? What is the closing stock? What is the tax report? So the tax report depending on the monthly or quarterly returns. Suppose GST is some people assess monthly returns and the quarterly return also. Suppose you do the export means the export council also can pay the monthly, and the next for the trial balance, and the next is the profit and loss, and finally balance sheet. So that is you can start that. Finally you can put you can filing of income tax. That is a maintaining of the accounts. So you know where you're just suppose now what is the investment? Just a small investment. You can go the purchase and you pick the supplier some product. Then after that you can put the costing. So next, what is the type of sales now? You do the export, no problem. Otherwise you can put the retail sales also. What is the sales sample also? You can put the shortage and the return also. Then finally you can go for some expenses. So the after sales you do the cash. You can receive it. After received, you can deposit the bank. After you receive the bank, you payment of, so withdraw the purchase. So this is a chain. So this is a purchase. That's all. So you are all technology students. How to got the possible to join the BCom or the MBA? So easy to understand what is the purchase. And this is a purchase chart. So the easy the purchase chart, you do the business easily. So the technology people, definitely there is no idea of, this is a principle of management subject is there in the technology students. The principle of management is give the some theoretically. So I can give the practically, this is a purchase. Okay, this is the purchase and the sales, how to receive. Then after the expenses, you can withdraw the bank, you can put that's all. So that is the accounting. This is the account is over. Purchase, costing, sales, receive the amount, pay the withdraw the amount, you can pay the expenses. So that is the accounts. So the expenses, you can issue the check or issue the cash. That's all. What is the profit and loss now? Profit and loss is one is the expenditure, another one for income. Suppose the opening stock, you can add the purchase, you can add the expenses. So this is all expenses. What is the income now? Income is what is the sales, what is the closing stock. So this is actually equal, both are the equal. So after that, this is the income minus and the expenses equal to the net profit. That is a formula. So that is a profit and loss. So profit and loss means, so what is the income minus expenses equal to profit? That's all. Okay, next, what is the balance sheet? This is the balance sheet. Balance sheet is two title. So the bank is asking for liability and the assets. So that is for the liability, assets, and the payable and the profit. What is the assets now? There's the closing stock and the receivable and bank. What is the bank and the cash balance? So this is actually both are equal means this is the balance. So assets and the liabilities is equal. Your balance sheet is clear. That's the problem is clear. Okay. So this is MBA is actually this is a very important. So actually this is MBA subject, but a technology students, sir, I want to 3 years, 2 years, 2 years, 2 years. So totally, so many years is there. Don't waste of timing. So first you knowledge. What is it? You can take the what is the marketing, small information. So all technology students suffering, sir. I know there is no knowledge for accounts, sir. I have no knowledge for the GST. So what is the problem now? So major error problem. And the next one is a timing problem, and another one for the costing problem, and another one for manpower problem. So the technology students, everything they face. I also face the problem. So I'm not a commerce student. So error time. I'm not timing management. I'm not without knowledge. So somebody know how to possible. So I start the business before it started. So you can see now before the business that the guy opened the door. So you see now it's very dark. Everything's dark. Why? He's totally confused. Why? So sir, I'm not the accounts, no costing. But I'm not. I start the business. Some confused. So don't confuse. Just wait. And another, some people. So you know this picture, no. The one people is you can use this one. You can after you can strengthen. What is this one? No. So don't depend. That is a very important. You start the before you start the business. Don't depend. So depend means depend the business is otherwise some problem is created. So that is a very important. And another one for so you see now this guy. So you can touch the machine, it could go smoothly. So this you can see now. This is for the proper way. Do the proper way. That is a one touch. This is you can touch this one. You can go smoothly. So that is why you can touch now. I will explain. So this is the main thing. So this is a one touch automation. Then what is the one touch automation? So this is a small entrepreneur and a small and medium young entrepreneur and it's a new entrepreneur. You don't worry of accounts. Sir, I know knowledge of accounts without knowledge. So I will prepare this software. This is a B accuracy software. So this is a one touch digital automation software. This software, what is the content of this software? No, just this is a business mechanism. This is preferably this ERP is using. This is not is easy to operate the commerce students, but technology students how to possible? No, the technology people. Sir, this software contain B2C, business to consumer. Next B2B, and the next export documentation, and the next manufacturing. This is another one for the shipping and logistics and the service. So this is a B2S. These all goods, these are service. There is a GST. That's all. So GST is these are goods, these are service GST. So after the goods are you can prepare the inventory, inward and outward. But what about the service? Service is only for the operation. And both are to prepare the invoice. To prepare the invoice to through payroll. Some employee to prepare the payroll. And this software is a multi-currency, not for India. This is supporting different countries also. I'll explain it. So this software is using of the multi-currency and the MIS, management, there is the information system report. And as well as this is the ERP accounting system. So this software is using for all business, except to, that is actually is only for the jewelry shop. This software is not using. So other than any shop, vegetable shop, any innovation product, any manufacturing, any shop using of this software actually. And then one more thing, I will think another some more small. I want to academic support. What is the academic support? No. So this software, how to develop this software is I am only coding people, nobody. So I am single man only develop the software. So I've developed the software to some different colleges, MCA and MTech and MBE computer science. All students, I can guide off academic support. How to develop the software? I can give the I do the internship of how to develop the software. I can give the idea. And what about another one for MBA student? So MBA student, I can show the international. This is international business, and this is for the shipping and logistics to cover. This is for the HR, and this is for the marketing, and this one for the finance. And this one inventory and the service is combining of supply chain management. So we are covering of MBA student. This I can give the internship. So this internship also, you can learn the 2 years learning. After I can give the practical, I can this software also. Okay, this is the academic. Number 3, another one for that, I can country support. So this software is not supporting, not for India only. So this software, I can first I can develop the software at Singapore. So this software is Singapore. My buyer also is doing different. The client also is in Singapore also. This software is using of Malaysia, and as well as this software is at Brunei, and next for Saudi Arabia and Dubai also, and India also. So this is a more than 6 country. This software is using of EC2 ERP. This software, what is the software feature? Daily task reminder. So every day. Number 2, don't worry. This is a not record of accounts and the GST knowledge of this software. No need of accounts knowledge. Number 3, there is no function key. That is very important. No F1, no F2, no function key, no browser also. So easy to understand. And what about the training, sir? The training is very good training, not more than 1 week. That's all. 1 or 2 weeks only can take the training. So this is a 7-1 ERP. So this is a new startup. So easy to learn. So what is the feature now? Some feature is that this is a user friendly. This is accounting and no knowledge necessary. And this is a 4-tier security. This is a 4-tier security. What is a 4 tiers? Admin, user, super admin, and a captain. 4-tier security. And another, this is preferred for the export documents. So at present, there is no software for the export documentation, but so many software is there not supporting export business. And the easy bank reconciliation also is there. And the ETF convert. So ECT for the PDF also. And there's a review of the journal, everything is there. So this is totally of. So next is the attendance with the payroll system also is there. So this is attendance also the payroll system, and the labeling sticker for the price. This is the labeling also is there. So that is a feature. So the administration, you don't worry. So you don't worry of administration. So the administration, I will give, this is actually the without the software to easy of everything combination. Okay, next that is actually banking. I will not to just take in the time is like small information. What is the banking? No, bank is the different. You put the what is the cash transaction, what is the check transaction. So some different check is there. Suppose you can using of how to possible. Then I'm not briefly. This time is short. I think another 5 minutes. I can another we can go the 8th one. 9th one for the tax calculation. So what is the tax calculation? The tax is a different tax is there. So totally, this is a 3 type of taxes: the direct tax and the indirect tax. Another one for the LB tax. So I am not explaining, just you can see the tax also. So this is a tax calculation. Last one for the how to success. No, that is a very important. I can this one how to start. This is how to this is a successful entrepreneur, unsuccessful entrepreneur. Successful entrepreneur, you put the valuable product first. You choose the valuable product. Next, you thinking this is the innovative product. That is a very important. This is the innovating of the product. Number 3, so they create the new process. Somebody is don't copy the product. You create the new process. And the next, so that easy to quality delivery. So any product to quality to the customers to delivery. This is all the successful entrepreneur. What is the unsuccessful entrepreneur? No. So the unsuccessful entrepreneur, poor management, very poor. The team management is unsuccessful. And then number 2, so inefficient. That is the second one. So third one, you know, these people to come to this one. What is this one? No. You see, no. Main thing is the planning is not correct. It's a failure of the planning. Number 4, so insufficient funding. That's the main problem. So insufficient fund. So this is a successful entrepreneur. This is an unsuccessful entrepreneur. And finally, suppose this is actually you did this innovation product. You think the innovation product, some innovation idea. Suppose the entrepreneur, the 2 type of entrepreneurs. One is the India market, another one for the international market. You can choose the India market or international market. So this is a 10 step is finished. Okay. Finally, so you how to success? I give you the success. The involvement, innovation is involvement is number 1. So maintain the ethics. Number 2. Number 3 is overcome failure. Definitely is overcome failure is there. Don't worry. So mainly, so utilize your opportunities. So that is I can give the success. Okay, what is my message? So the become a job provider rather than job seeker. That is our final message. So I can repeat, become a job provider rather than job seekers. Okay, thank you all once again. So do the small business. You do that. So good luck. Wish you all the best to become a successful entrepreneur. Thank you. Wish you all the best and thank you for the CIA. Suppose you want a query of this one, please. This is like my number. Suppose you want any clarification, you can give any question. Please answer. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Participants, I'll be launching a poll right now. Please do vote for the session.
Yeah.
The poll will appear on your screen. So a lot of participants are requesting for the presentation. So is there a way that we can send this to them or share it to them?
Yeah, actually, this is not don't sharing, sir. Actually, this is entirely my product. Actually.
Okay, sure. So not a problem.
Yeah, this is not sharing. Actually, this is we are developing the individually again. Main thing is that's all.
Okay, so not a problem. So based on the interests we have received, probably with your a few workshops, so probably Mr. Parvez will get in touch with you regarding that.
Yeah, okay. So to enjoy the presentation, no? Everything's clear, no?
Yes, sir, totally, sir. Participants, if you have any more questions, we can, if you can share it on the Q&A section, we'll put it to sir and then we can close the session.
Yeah, definitely, no problem.
Yeah.
Any questions, sir?
One second, sir. I think there is some questions that come.
Please.
Sir, so one of the participants asks, the income tax percentage for small and MSME firms is around 22%. Is that right?
Yeah, no. The income tax is entirely different. So slab is there. So what is the income tax? This is depending on the company, not with the MSME. So this is depending on the companies. This is slab only. That's all. You don't confuse small MSMEs. Don't confuse. This is a proprietor or partnership. Depending on the company only is income tax only. That's all.
Okay, sir. Another participant asks, can I create a company using proprietary? If so, can I use this benefit of having a company to deduct tax?
I'm not understanding. So how to deduct the tax, please? How to deduct?
Sir, he's asking, can you use this benefit of having a company to deduct tax from net amount only?
No. That is not an option. No option of any other companies. Only the income tax is proprietary company. Only 2.5 lakhs. That is income tax. You want any income? You are the income. You pay the income tax. There is not no exemption or something. No exemption.
Okay, sir. Another participant says he's currently working in the automotive sector, but wants to start a business in CNC machine parts. Can you please give him some advice on that?
What the product, sir? I'm not clear.
Sir, he's working in the automotive sector. He wants to start a business in CNC machine parts.
I think CNC parts. Okay, I know. Okay. So you are interested to join business or individual business?
No, he wants to start a business individually.
Okay, start the individually. Individually means I can give the information. No, otherwise you can please call you. I can give a small information to you. No problem. Definitely.
Okay, sir. One of the participants is asking: is there a single slide with all the 10 steps mentioned?
So single slide you can give, no problem. Single slide means I can give the PDF files. I will send the PDF shortly. So what is I can give the PDF? I can give the single slide.
Okay,
no
so yeah,
I will.
Yes, while sharing the certificates, we'll share the presentation also along, sir, if that is fine.
Yeah, don't share this. My presentation don't share actually.
No, in the sense that PDF, sir, which you're mentioning.
I will give this one. What are the presentation? I can give the teacher. What are the presentation of PDF? Shortly, I can give tomorrow or after tomorrow. I can give no problem.
No. That is what I was mentioning.
Yeah, definitely. The presentation actually is not kept copy. It's a huge. This is a different animation. No.
Okay, sir. And what are the problems in export business? As in, what all hurdles will a person face when he or she runs an export business?
Yeah, export business now is going on. No, I am also now. I am not. My side is not locked down. I do the business continually. Today also shipment is going on. So the shipment actually the export is 24 hours and is no lockdown in export. So we are continually do the export of different countries there. Okay, and another one we are main thing the essential products preferably. That's that. So the export at present, to compare the country, the export is a very honorable business. Definitely is going smoothly.
Sir, another participant asks, how do we recognize good products without checking/testing during business strategy?
Yeah, without studying is not possible, sir, actually. So what is the product? You are any mechanism product or any innovation idea, first you can check and take the approval first. Otherwise, don't go to the consumer, that's the market. My advice. Without
Okay,
testing, don't go. Please, you can test the everything.
next one is for educational services. What steps need to be followed to initiate the business?
Educational?
Educational services.
Okay, education service.
So he wants to know, are there any steps to be followed to start the educational services business?
Yeah, education is a using of the trust is a very, it's a trust or society. So that no partnership, no private limited, no, this is a service provider. The education is a service provider. So my advice, you can go there, you can open the trust or society. That is important. Trust is okay, I think. Suppose you are the family using of the trust. So other than family, you choose the society.
Okay, sir. Sir, and one of the participants asks, under digital signature, DIN, what are
Yes.
all the 4 points he wants to know?
For DSC, digital signature.
Yeah, DIN, what are the 4 points?
What the 4 point means? I'm not.
Sir, I think it's a wrong question. Okay, sir. I think then we are done. So we'll end with this, sir. Thank you so much. We've had a great session. A lot of participants have been requesting, for their education institution as well. So participants can send us an email. I've shared my email on the chat sometime before, so you can write to us and we'll try and. We had a great session. So participants, I hope all of you have voted in the voting section. And thank you so much, sir. We'll end the webinar.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving the opportunity, and thank you to CIC, and also to one more thanks to Mr. Parvez Alam given this opportunity. Thank you, sir. Once again, wish you all the best to become an entrepreneur. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Our pleasure. Thank you, participants. I'm ending the webinar. Thanks.